So, what is the advice to the Muslims who are abiding by the self-isolation advice from the government, and how strictly they should follow that stay-at-home advice? Can they gather a small group for knowledge, visit a person who has the virus, and there might be risk? So, how strictly they should follow
This
this?
is left for the expertise, Akhwani. Left for the expertise. Now, if the government said to us not to leave the house, we should not leave the house. We should abide. But we should set a very good image for the Muslims that they are abiding citizens and they will go ahead with this fulfillment of the instructions. That we should give a good image about us. Okay? So it's left for the expertise. So the doctors now, they said to me, to say to you, many miles coming out. Okay? Had it been that I'm coming to the lecture here, just me and the doctor in this masjid, I wouldn't have come here. I would have stayed. I did not move my car since last class. The last class, I did not move my car. My car was just stuck there until today I moved it. From that moment until today, I did not move my car. I did not come out of the house. I just stayed in the house. So just because you want to minimize as well. I could be affected, I don't know, passing the disease to somebody else.